How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Capital Gains 500, and today we actually have amazing, super exciting news. Moderna, the pharma company, is having great success in the first stage of the COVID vaccine testing. This news has come after hours after the market closed, and Moderna's stock is taking off. If we take a quick look at the chart in Webull, because I like how it shows it much better, in the after hours, it just shot up so fast after this news came out that the vaccine is having really positive signs. In Robinhood, this article is linked from the Wall Street Journal by Peter, giving us more details of what's going on, what the good news is. We even got a quote from Dr. Fauci, who is applauding this and saying,
"This is really quite good news. The gold standard of protecting against a virus infection is neutralizing antibodies. And the data from the study, small numbers as it may be, are pretty clear that this vaccine is capable of inducing quite good levels of neutralizing antibodies."
And again, the article just continues on with what the heck is going on, what this vaccine is really trying to do, how we're trying to prevent people from catching COVID, and ultimately finding the cure of this disease. I'm very happy that this is going on. Obviously, we all want a solution. We all want to go outside. California is closing down. That's horrible. We need to stay open, and that's what people are hoping for. As long as we can find a vaccine, then the political parties can stop nagging each other like, this is what we should do, that's what we should do. A lot of politics then can come out of the equation, and then we can just really focus on the economy, growing it, figuring out how to put it back on track to catch up with Wall Street, because Wall Street is really taking off, as you guys have seen. Amazing gains, but the economy is lagging. As long as people can go back to work safely and securely, people are gonna want to go back to work. I'm actually very excited that they were investing or are trading, because I feel like as long as people go back to work and they start making money, they're gonna have that habit of investing. And so the question today comes, since Moderna is the creator of this vaccine, are they actually a good contender for your money to invest in them? Currently on Robinhood, there's 223,000 people investing in it. That's really amazing, especially I feel like the more they're putting money in it, the support is there. Obviously, the company wants to get the cure. It is going to be a huge payday for the company once it gets to level 2, level 3, and actually finally in the public. But we are a couple of months, or if not a year or two, before that can happen. But as you can see, just with the slightest news in the after hours, it rallied big time. This is the 1 week chart, but today, again, it rallied big time after hours. If you're going to invest in this company and you're hoping that Moderna goes to $100, that's where I do see this company going, to $100. But be advised and see what I am going to point out. We got the news today in the after hours, and it shot up. Industry leaders who can buy in quickly, they did. They took the stock up an additional 16%. Amazing gains, amazing percentages. Hopefully, if some of you guys had it pre-news, you're making some money. But what's interesting to me is on Monday, it did shoot up. I wonder, and I haven't done the correct research, so forgive me. This is just my speculation. But all the articles are obviously talking about it. Oh my gosh, we have a vaccine. We hopefully will have a vaccine. Oh my gosh, this is amazing news. And I believe tomorrow the whole stock market will rally. I believe that's just my belief, just because of the good news on COVID. But going back to what the heck happened on Monday, this is so interesting. It actually had a great spike up, almost the same amount as the after hours if we measure it with our Webull ruler right here. Yeah, it looks about the same. So what caused this to spike up? I wonder if this was early speculation or early insiders knowing what the heck was going on and that they were going to make this announcement, and maybe they were closing up the trials and getting the documents worked on before they took it public. And once it became public, obviously after hours it shot up in the stock price. But before that, the stock was trading in a nice zone between 55, as low as 55, and as high as 65. It was just trading up and down, up and down. This makes me pretty suspicious of yesterday. I haven't gone through all the articles. There's just so many. People are raving about this. For me, the good news is that we're heading in the right process of a vaccine. But in stock market news, okay, where is this going to take us? Personally, I would stay away from investing in this pharmaceutical, just me personally, because I still don't know what's going to happen. Hopefully, obviously, more good news comes out and it keeps rallying. I rather hope other people get rewarded for believing and investing in the company, and they are going to find a vaccine. To me, what's important is that they do find a vaccine. But putting my money in a pharma company, that's where I feel a little scared. I don't know where the heck it's going to go. I don't have the insiders information of, oh, this is going to happen. Obviously, insiders information is forbidden, but come on, we're all human. You know the insiders probably, hey, looking good, right? Looking good. Maybe next week we'll make a press conference, hint, hint. So that's why I stay away from pharma companies. They are not my expertise. I have no idea what the heck they're creating, what the heck is going on, why medicine takes so long to get approved, even though it can show quick signs of positivity. There is a lot of health issues and a lot of risk when creating pharmaceutical drugs. The risk and reward can be there, but for me, it's just too much to tolerate personally. So let me know in the comments down below. Are you invested in Moderna? Are you going to invest in Moderna? Do you want to risk it and take it tomorrow? Or do you believe it's going to rally tomorrow and they're going to take it up to 100? Let's say we open at $90 and they take it up easily to 100. Where could we be? Because remember, the highest was 94. Can it go from 90? Let's just say, because again, I believe another pre-market rally is going to happen in the morning and they're going to be buying up the stock. That's just me personally believing. It hasn't happened yet, but from $90 to $100, that's like an 11% return. So is it worth it? Is it worth your money? Is it worth the risk to put in? Or do you believe people are gonna, after the news comes out, they're just gonna dump it and some people are gonna take profit? I don't know. As value investors and long-term investors, you also have to deal with the day traders who are gonna push up the stock just to take out some gains. To them, anything over 5% is amazing gains. Because remember, in the old days, the stock market's supposed to bring you 7% is a good return in a year. And now people are scalping and looking for those types of returns in a day. So watch out. Again, that's why I'm staying away from this company. Again, great news. Overall, I'm very happy. This makes me suspicious. Again, I had just so many articles here on Webull, on Robinhood. How many articles do we have? They do keep getting updated, but all the information, a lot of it is repetitive. A lot of goes into a story of what the heck's going on. A lot of it is also not even reporting the parallels of what's going on in the financial markets and its stock price. So we all still have to do our own research. To me, keeping up with this research of this pharmaceutical or any other pharmaceutical is a ton of work. It does have a great payoff if you can hit big and capture before some news comes in. But again, I still believe you're competing with not just day traders, my bad, with insiders. So that's a little something to be worried about, to be looking at. Let's check out the 15-minute mark. The spike was a couple of minutes after the close. So a lot of people did not get the chance to also buy in, but that's why I believe tomorrow will rally. I believe Moderna will rally again. And now the question and due diligence and risk tolerance is passed on to you. Are you going to invest and how much? What's your strategy with this? Are you a long-term hold investor, or are you going to try to scalp this for a trade? Not promoting anything, just giving you my thoughts. This is what I keep seeing in the stock market. It just goes up and then it quickly goes down as people take profits. So be very careful. And with that, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Amazing news. Overall, I believe this should help the stock market. This one company, because everybody wants good news. Good news drives up the stock market pretty heavily. So I won't be surprised if the S&P keeps going higher. But overall, what's exciting to me is that we find a cure. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe for more videos, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.